Let me show you how to use CrumplePop EchoRemover. Here we are in Premiere Pro. I have an echoey clip on my timeline that I would like to clean up.
Or maybe you recorded your audio in a room like this one.
The first thing you'll need to do is load the plugin into Premiere using the Audio Plugin Manager. Go to Preferences, Audio, and then Audio Plugin Manager. If you're updating EchoRemover, be sure you check the Rescan Existing Plugins checkbox. This will make sure the updated plugin is properly loaded into Premiere. Otherwise, the scan will not find the most recent EchoRemover plugin. Then go to Effects, Audio Effects, and choose CrumplePop EchoRemover AU and drag it onto your clip. Now go to the Effects controls and click on the Edit button next to Custom Setup. Press the Remove Echo button and EchoRemover will detect echo and automatically remove it. Play the clip back to hear the results.
Or maybe you recorded your audio in a room like this one.
Sounds great. You also have a strength, release, and bass reduction control to help dial in your sound. And that's how you use CrumplePop EchoRemover.